Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to share travel status on Facebook, what you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to share travel status on Facebook. When you are on Facebook, you see here what's on your mind, and then here feeling and activity. Just click on feeling and activity. After that, click activities and then just scroll down and then click traveling to. Now here you have some suggestion. You can select one of them, or just you can type in the search bar where are you traveling to. For example, Berlin, and here Berlin, Germany. Just click on it, and if you want to write where you travel from, just here you see this, the icon check in. Just click on it, and here you can type, for example, from Tokyo, Japan. Okay, you see here, traveling to Berlin, Germany from Tokyo, Japan. And here for specific friends, here you can just select if you want to have it public. It means anyone on or off Facebook can see it, or just select friends. Okay, for example, public. Just click on it and then click done. After that, click post. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to share travel status on Facebook. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.